Girls, I'm this is it. I'm editing. I just want y'all to know before this video gets started, it's real chaotic. It's real all over the place. It's real chaotic. It's real unorganized. It's basically like we on the phone and I keep saying, okay, I'm gonna call you back, and I hang up and I'll call you back days later. That's what it's giving. That's the vibes. But love y'all. Hope y'all like the video. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aniyaha, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as y'all can tell by today's title, this week I'm basically just gonna be crocheting orders. I'm gonna be crocheting stuff for my Depop site, and also I'm probably not gonna crochet no personal items this week, but I really do like to every few months, or not even a few months, every few weeks, crochet like a few things to add onto my Depop, or just to, you know, sell to anybody that want to buy it, like on my Instagram story or something. So it's been a while since I did that, so I kind of want to do that this week. I don't know, I've been so busy with just crocheting like anything I be wanting for me, to the point where I be forgetting, like, girl, you know, crochet some other stuff for other people that want to buy it. 2 orders to do. I have a cat beanie to make, and I have a lock sock to make. So I think I have all the colors for both orders, but I'm not sure. It's gonna be a very slim to none chance that I don't have the colors. So like I said, I just got a cat beanie order, and I know she wanted the colors green and purple. So I asked her, because whenever I do get orders, because it just say, oh, I'm about to show the information. It say like the colors they want, but it don't really specify shades. So I always get in contact with each customer just to make sure and show them what colors I do have, so that it's no confusion once I crochet the order. So she wanted purple and green. So I know I have this order because I just talked to her Sunday. And usually I get my orders out pretty fast. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like playing with people's money. So when you order, as soon as I get the time to do your order, girl or guy, I'm gonna do your order and ship it to you. I don't play around. I don't fool around. I take my shipping time real quick. Like sometimes, well, majority of the time, you get that order same week. Same week. I don't play around. I don't fool around. I don't fool around. So this the 2 colors she wanted. And then for the lock sock, gosh, I love when y'all order lock socks. Lock socks really was my favorite thing to make at one point in time, because I came up with that pattern myself. So I just love seeing like the different color schemes y'all come up with. I love seeing people in a lock sock. I love making lock socks. I love wearing lock socks occasionally. I don't really wear my lock socks. I really haven't even been wearing my hats for real. Like I be forgetting I know how to make stuff. I know he said he wanted majority like black, but with these colors basically. Black and pops of like this bluish green. So, but like a dark shade of them. To this one, because I don't really know. I gotta let the thoughts marinate with that one because I don't know yet. But I am about to go ahead and probably start working on this cat beanie. Do y'all like my little head wrap? This is that do-rag tutorial. I think I forgot her name. She's my mutual, but I forgot her name. But just type in crochet do-rag tutorial, and I just wrap it like a little, you know, I don't know, girl. But here's some whips. Here's some projects I also need to finish this week. I started working on this gift for one of my friends. It's gonna be a floppy, not floppy, but like one of those slouchy beanies, like the little viral ones. It's gonna be one of them. And I used a 4.25, and it's low-key small, so I'm gonna steam it and hope for the best, cause I don't know, but it's low-key small, so I'm probably not gonna be using no 4.25 whenever I crochet hats. And then I also started on this. I don't know if I'm gonna turn it into a ruffle hat. I know it's gonna be a ruffle hat of some sort, but I don't know like what type of ruffles I'm gonna do yet. I don't know if I want to go wavy ruffle, jumbo ruffle. Oh, but I'm using this acrylic yarn from Walmart in the color teal. So I really have bought this yarn for me personally, but I'm 9 times out of 10 just gonna sell this hat because I don't really need no hats. Like I said, I don't be wearing my hats no more, so I be wanting to make them so bad though, so I just need to just start uploading them on my Depop. So yeah, and this is one of my personal projects, well, projects for the Depop. But other than that, I don't know what other projects we gonna do. So I'm gonna call y'all whenever we start working on this cat beanie. Y'all, I'm looking a mess. I just got home. I just got back home. It's the next day. I hit 10K last night. We got 10,000 craft besties, y'all. Why did my friends send me some flowers? Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. This is so cute. Like, I could literally cry. Let me reach out a card. It says, cheers to 10K, road to 20K next. Keep up the hard work and dedication. Proud of all that you've done. More to come in the future. Only up. Love you, punk. Get y'all some good friends like me. Get y'all some good friends. Get y'all some good friends so y'all can share them wins. Like, that is so cute. I'm gonna have to crochet a house now. Like, I have to crochet a house and send it to you because that was real sweet. So now I'm about to go ahead and get started on these orders because I was playing yesterday, but I really need to get them done today. But I literally got flowers. Like, I've never received flowers. Like, I always buy my own flowers. Giving me my flowers. That is so cute. Besties, I didn't pick this camera up all day for real. Like, I got them flowers and then I just went about my day. But I started crocheting this cat beanie. Y'all can't even see because the lighting in here. I'm not about to get up. I'm comfortable. I'm in bed. I'm crocheting. I'm not getting up, y'all. I'm not getting up. But this is what I have so far. I just gotta do 4 more rows and I'll be done. And then after this, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this. I don't know what I'm working on actually, but I low-key talk myself into doing pattern testing. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that in this video or not. I don't know, but I might, because I don't know. But in between orders, I have to do stuff that I actually want to crochet so that I don't get burnt out. Even though I only got 2 orders, but still I gotta keep that little razzle dazzle of me feeling like I have some sort of control. So yeah, I'm watching YouTube. I will do a time lapse, but I don't feel like it. I'm doing a cat beanie. I'm gonna show y'all when I do the last 4 rows when I'm done. So I just want to give y'all just like a tiny update. Y'all, ever since I found this little tripod, I've been feeling like I just prop this camera up anywhere. Like, I'll prop the camera up anywhere. I don't know why it sounds stuffy. That grass, I don't know, girl. I'm about to overshare. I need to finish this order because I've been slacking. Hey besties, it is Thursday. I've been crocheting, but I haven't. Last night I had called y'all and I was showing y'all that I was working on the cat beanie while I was finishing it up. I finished the cat beanie, real nice, real clean. I have a tutorial on my channel if y'all want to watch that. I'm currently tag teaming projects. I'm currently working on a lock sock with this like pink color. So that's what we're working on too. And I'm working on like a ruffle hat. I don't know if it's gonna be a ruffle hat or a wavy ruffle yet, but this is that. And I have to redo the beanie I was making, but I'm probably not gonna put that in this video because it really don't have nothing to do with this video. And I did go to I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video, but I went to Dollar Tree and I found some, they got like a new yarn. It's called Color Pop yarn. And look at this, like they had different colors too. It's like a teal with like a different shade of blue in it. Like, it is so cute. And I got 2 because I don't know how many I need. But I took a picture because I did not bring my camera. I took a picture so I could show y'all the options so y'all can go get y'all some. I think I'm going to go back whenever I do go and get this color scheme that they had. Can it focus? Can y'all see that? But that color scheme is so cute. It's like a peachy color and they have like hints of pink and purple in it. And they have this blue color and they have like hints of orange in it. And then they had like this, it was like a light faint purple and it had hints of yellow and not purple. Did I say? I don't remember what I said. Wait, I don't remember what I said, but it had hints of like green and yellow. And then they had this pink. I should have got this pink, but at the same time I didn't really want it. But that's cute, and I know some of y'all would make some real cute stuff with it, so y'all go get it. If I sound stuffy to y'all, it's my sinuses, so don't worry about me. I'm good. I'm a-okay. Oh, and I also got some black yarn because I gotta make a lock sock, but I gotta come up with a color combination for him because he didn't really say like what specific color. It was weird. Okay, but
not him, but the color scheme. I gotta come up with something. So I really do want to start back making some more lock socks, because whenever I do like a week where I'm making a whole bunch of stuff to add to my Depop or just to sell in general, I make lock socks. But I really want to make a lot of lock socks because they sell and the color combinations always eat. They always eat. My other lock sock I had literally ripped this morning, and that really made me mad because I really wanted to wear that lock sock. But it's okay. It's just a sign that I need to make me more. Like, I made so many lock socks, but this is the only one I have for me. And all the color combinations I be coming up with lock socks for, I sell them and they be so cute, and I be wishing I kept them for me. But at the end of the day, I don't even be wearing them for real, so I can't do that. So what else I was about to tell y'all. And I have to redo the little beanie I was working on because I was using the 4.25 and that just made it too small. Y'all, look, I got this cup from Dollar Tree. Rows. I hate increased rows. That's really the only thing that make me not want to make lock socks, because I have to do these increased rows. But I know this pink color, a lock sock, the pink girlies, they're gonna eat it up. They're gonna eat it up. It just has to get in the hands of the right beholder. I think that's what I'm trying to say. I think. But y'all, what y'all been up to? What are y'all working on? What are y'all doing? It's Thursday. I don't know when I'm posting this video, but probably Sunday. I don't know. I'm sorry, these increased rows really be taking me out because I be having to pay attention, because if I miss an increased row, like if I miss an increased stitch and it messes up by the time I get to the end, I just be adding an extra 2 at the end. I don't undo it and go count and see where I messed up at, because I don't be feeling like it. Like, it's gonna increase. It's gonna increase anyways. So call that laziness. But that's probably why some of my projects don't be coming out right sometimes, because I be feeling like I could just do whatever I want and I be getting humbled. But I low-key don't feel like talking, so I'm gonna come back and show y'all when I get like past the increase rows. I also have a pattern for this if you want to do a lock sock with me, so go watch. Y'all go watch my patterns. And also, y'all, if y'all can help me, I really want to start selling my patterns, but I don't feel like whenever I type them out it makes sense. So if you want to write my patterns out for me, I will literally pay you. Like, I will literally pay you. So if you write patterns and you write patterns to the T and you do good and you got some good results from like selling your patterns, please come to me so I can pay you to just write my patterns, because I want to share my written patterns, but I don't feel like when I type them out it makes sense. Like, it don't make sense to me. Well, it makes sense to me, but I don't feel like it's gonna make sense to y'all. So I don't want to sell nothing that, you know, doesn't make sense. So if you write patterns and you try to make some coin, girl, text me. Name your price too, but nothing too OD, because you literally just have to probably like watch my videos, type it out. Don't come wanting like big bank, because I'll give you your big bank, but dang, girl, don't break my pockets. So I'm about to keep doing this and I'm gonna call y'all in a second. I love stiletto nails. Like, I'll never get over them. They're so cute, and they're press-ons. Like, making these low-key made me want to start back selling press-ons. I mean, I never stopped, but like, I just haven't been doing it. So besties, don't be mad. I went on like a little not road trip, but like a little trip unexpectedly. Well, just like a little update. I went on a little trip unexpectedly. I got a retwist. Well, I did my retwist. I got my eyebrows done. I haven't been crocheting none of my orders. Not purposefully, just because I've been busy. But today is Sunday and we getting everything that we need to get done. Haven't been pulling y'all out. I don't even know what I'm naming this video, but I'm currently packing up orders and while I'm in bed. And I'm sitting here thinking, like, I need to go ahead and invest in like a thermal printer, like, because it's getting bad. But I have started, I've been working on that pink lock sock. Yeah, I've been so uninterested in crocheting right now. Like, I need to crochet something fun. So, I need to figure it out. Y'all can't tell me this ain't the cutest. Like, look. This is so cute. It's like a cuteness overload. And then, I got my pink bubble mailers. Well, it's not even a bubble mailer, but poly mailer. I ran out of tissue paper because I've been doing, like, the tissue paper. And I also been trying to get in the habit of doing, like, a little thank you note, handwritten. Because it's me. Like, it's a part of me. I'm giving a part of me to y'all. So, yeah, that's that. And I just got to add the shipping label. And I'm going to be done. I still got to do one more order. I did come up with the color palette. And I sent it to the customer. So I'm just waiting on them to respond back. When a customer want me to come up with like a color combo, I give options. I try to give at least 1 or 2 options that make sense to me. If the colors don't look cute together, I'm not suggesting them. Because at the end of the day, I gotta make it. And if I take pictures of it and I don't like the color combination, I'm not posting it. So this was the first color combination that I came up with. You know, real cute. And these colors, the black is gonna be the main color, and we're gonna have like random rows of these two together. So then the other color combination is this. I hope they pick this color combination because it's so cute. Like, even though it's 4 colors and I'm gonna have to do all them color switches, I really see the vision with this color scheme. So I need to stop doing this. Like, I've been doing this a lot lately, and I don't like that. So once they text me back, I'm gonna come do like a little rant with y'all. Even though I've been ranting this whole video, y'all been liking like the no music, just full videos of me talking. Like, do y'all like that, or is it boring? Y'all let me know. Let me know, because I don't miss doing music montages. I don't got time for that. I'm sorry. So even if y'all don't like it, we could probably compromise just a tad, but it's not much I can do in that avenue, boo. Y'all, I finished the lock sock. I'm about to go ahead and steam it. Ooh, but I wanted to show y'all before I steamed it. But this the back. Just plain black. And then the pops of the color. I did this one a little longer because it is for a male. And he wanted to be able to have it on his forehead. Obviously, he don't want to have edges on that thing. So, I'm about to steam it and show y'all the after. Like, look how stiff it is. Like, it's so loud outside, but y'all, I finished the lock sock. It's so cute. I did it longer than needed because his locks are so full and luscious, and I love that. So this is it. The pop-up color, it was cute, it was nice. It's Monday, it's Labor Day. No, it's Memorial Day. I don't know what the difference is. Labor Day, Memorial Day, it's another day for me. But I've been reading. I changed the stickers on my Kindle. Like, get into it. It's real cute. At this point, I don't know what the name of this vlog gonna be, but I'm currently reading it. It's called The Landlord. I just started it earlier, so I don't know yet. I'm gonna let y'all know. It's written by a man. I ain't never read no book by no man author, so I'll let y'all know about that. But I guess I can really end this video off here, and we're gonna try again next week because this week didn't go as planned. Like, I was supposed to crochet a whole bunch of inventory. That didn't work. That's why I be feeling like I just need to give it up with the whole, like, business vlogs. Because my week, I'm one of them crochet artists. I crochet stuff for me. And that's it. Like, I'm just y'all inspo at this point. Because me trying to be crocheting, like, or, like, custom orders only. Because me trying to bulk crochet orders, like, like, pre-make stuff, it don't be working out. Like, it don't be working out. My attention span for it be like this thin. So I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but I need to post it quick so we can get some new content. Y'all y'all feel free to suggest some videos, some challenges, anything y'all want to see. Tutorials, y'all can suggest some tutorials, but it's a slight chance I might not get to them because tutorials is boring to film. They outside, yeah, they just loud. So I'm just about to go ahead and talk to y'all when I see y'all. And I got some new rings. So y'all already know. I love y'all. We go together real bad. I love y'all. We go together real bad. I'll see y'all next week.